Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and we're out here today at the monthly backup gun match with an actual backup gun that I really should have brought to one of these matches a long time ago, but I didn't. This is a Savage automatic. Specifically, this is the model of 1915, which is the rarest of the Savage automatic pistols, with the exception of the 45s. This has a shrouded hammer and a grip safety on it, instead of an exposed hammer and no grip safety. They made these in both 380 and 32. This one's in 32, has 10 round magazines. And this was, when it came out, the subject of quite the sort of modern styled promo campaign. Savage got a bunch of well-respected gunfighters of their day who were, in fact, legitimately actual gunfighters. They got Bat Masterson to give testimonials, you know, the famous Old West sheriff, talking about how great the new Savage automatic is. It's 10 shots quick, and all you have to do is point your finger and it hits every time, and you'll never have to worry about recoil bumping it off target like one of them old curvy-handled revolvers, because it's got a straight grip. And, well, let's find out how realistic that marketing spiel really is. Let's head right over to stage one. 10 shots quick.
Whoa, look at that.
The 1915 model, with a shrouded hammer and a grip safety.
Oh, cool.
And a regular safety too, but we're not going to use that.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Slightly low.
Come on, can I do it? Pulled it back off. Just barely.
Just clear.
All right, 25 seconds. Let's see how the paper was. Not great. Exhibit 1. That's
There was
3
two
points.
shots on that target.
Yeah.
Down 4.
But that's clean. That's 5 plus 3, which equals 7.
1915.
1915 pattern.
Is that in battery?
No, it is not.
Thank you for prefacing that with Savage quality.
45.
All right. Maybe we just got the malfunction out of the way. Yeah.
It's 110 years old.
It's literally 110 years old. It was made in 1915.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. One hit.
I got another mag. I'm not done yet.
2. 3.
Woo! All right, 3, 4, 5. At some points.
Down 2.
Clean.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
And clean. Not bad. Not bad.
26. Are you ready?
Sure.
Stand by.
No.
Clear. Slide. Hammer. Holster. Bag. I mean.
So 3 gut shots. That's 3 points.
That's
2 more gut shots, but that's 4 points. Was that 3?
oh, that's 7. 3, 3, and 3
Oh.
equals 7.
All right. Well, this one isn't. That one's 4.
So that's down 3.
This one's a 3 and a 3. That's 6. That's
Down
not
1.
terrible. And that's a 5 and a 1. So,
Down 1.
not
Got to sort it out.
All right, tell me when you're ready.
ready.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
Damn,
Too shabby. 6 seconds.
I'll take that. All right, so how does Bat Masterson's praise for the Savage hold up? The answer is not perfectly. It absolutely will shoot other than where you think you want it to shoot if you don't pay attention. The sights are minuscule, but it's not that hard to hold on a human-sized target at a reasonable distance. It's a very soft shooting gun. It does have 10 rounds, which this is the 1915, but these were first introduced in 1907. For 1907, it's a high-capacity, compact, really nice carry pistol. Honestly, it would work as a decent carry pistol today if for some weird reason you decided you wanted to carry a 110-year-old pistol. I had a lot of fun with this. Just the fewest little hints of malfunction here and there, but again, for a gun that's literally 110 years old, this one was made in 1915. Good performance, a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well. I have a full video on the development and the history of the Savage automatic pistols, both the small caliber pocket guns as well as the Trials 45s that they tried to sell to the US Army. I'll link to those videos in the description text below in case you want to see some more cool info. Thanks for watching.